Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here.
Bay Road experts.
And we're in Panama City Beach, but today we're going to be flying over and showing you the subdivision of
Palm Bay.
All right, Alice, take it away.
Well, Palm Bay is right behind Hidden Pines that we just made a video a while ago for you guys to show it. It is in between. Boca Lagoon is on your left and North Lagoon Oaks is on your right. So Palm Bay has 220 homes in this subdivision. Currently, there are 4 homes for sale. They turn really fast in here. I would tell you that in 2019, the average days on the market, or the days on the market since you put your property for sale until it's sold, is 35 days. So that's really quick.
I'm going to fly us back over. Right near center left of the screen at the bottom is where Alice and I are standing, and that is the entrance to the subdivision. But I'm going to try and fly you guys over a good portion of it and face the camera down so you can kind of see the area.
Busy intersection here.
Everybody wants to be on camera. Well, at least they're on audio.
So you like 5 minutes from the beach.
Here we got a roundabout here. All the yards in here are really well kept.
It's a very nice subdivision. So currently there's 4 homes for sale here. The price point is about from $340,000 unto $440,000 right now. They're just a new home on the market today for $422,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a pool, and it has 2,200 square feet. So you have an idea. 6 homes have sold in the past 6 months.
And then at the top center of the screen, we're looking at the Hathaway Bridge, and you see the Marina Landing condo there. If you follow down Thomas Drive, which would be very close to the water line there at the top of the screen, you'll come down to, we're still looking at the subdivision beneath us, but then you have the opening of the lagoon right there. So this is on the North Lagoon side, and across the water there is the South Lagoon and the Gulf of Mexico. You see those turquoise waters? We're very, very close to them.
5-minute drive to the beach.
And there's a lot of waterfront property here on this side of North Lagoon.
Lovely subdivision, one way in, one way out. So pretty secure, pretty nice. All the homes, like Sean said, very well kept.
And very close to some good schools. Petronas is very close by. It's just behind us on the camera. This subdivision actually backs up to Hidden Pines,
right?
Which is a great subdivision for the Petronas schools as well. And then,
but this one over here is on Breakfast Point.
yes, you actually have somewhat of a choice there. You know, depending on your location, the schools try to give preference to where you are assigned to go if you have a strong preference. And then it goes by your location and some other factors. But you can check that out at greatschools.org if this would be a good fit for you in this subdivision. I'm going to spin you back around as we show the subdivision once again, and then we're going to wrap this video up. Another school close by for high school would be J.R. Arnold, which is also a fantastic school. for all the way through high school.
So if you have a home here that you would like it sold, give us a call. We would like to help you. And if you like to purchase property here, we will also love to help you.
Have any other questions, you guys?
Give us a call. Our contact information is below.
Give us a subscribe. Click that button down below for the thumbs up. It really helps us be able to stay motivated to continue to give you content like this. And if you guys want to see another subdivision, leave a comment below and let us know which one that might be for you.
We would love to hear from you.
Absolutely. We'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye for now.
Bye.